Long time no see. Ang tagal ko nagpahinga. Parang 2 weeks ata. Sumakit kasi yung tuhod ko eh. Hanggang ngayon, masakit pa rin. So medyo late na yung ride ngayon. Kasama ko pala yung dalawang Android sa pedal and post. Si ano, Android 16 at 17. Ang ano ngayon, ride Vermosa lang. Tapos merong side quest ng off-road. Hindi ko alam eh. First time ko lang mag-Vermosa. So, good luck.
No way.
Masira pala yung ano ko, Garmin mount. Ayan o, niremedyoan ko na lang ng goma. Bali makikita kami sa ano, sa may MOA banda, sa MetLife. Dito na ako sa Makati Ave. Ito Makati Ave Hill po yan. Basta yun. Cartimar na ako. Dito na ako sa MOA. Daming bikers oh. May karera ata dun. Drag race. Andito na raw si Android 17. Hihintay na ako. Bago gulong mo ah.
Pudpud na nga eh.
Ganyan pala yung G1. Hindi pa nag-iinit si under 17. Ayan na. Tutok lang. Makakarga na. 30 maintaining. Okay ah. Mountain bike. Naka-drop bar. Laki ng gulong eh. Dilim ah. Ito pa kari. Tapos pit bar. Pit bar yun. 5. Saan ba ito? Parang kulang pera ko. Ha? Nakainom na tubig. Ano yung catch? Kahit saan ako. Hangin. Come back! Come back! Naiwan na ako. Oy.
Sante o sa ante?
Sante.
Bakit yun? Kasama hindi kasi dito.
May share dito?
Ayan,
Iya ako. Ihe. Mga Android kayo eh. Ito na si under 16. Kasi 17.
Wala pa saan.
Kompleto na. Gaano kami? trail. Oh. You know, dalawa oh. Ayan na, go!
Classic ang gamitin ko sa race. Yeah! Ay, kasi naman wala nyo nito. Hindi ako naman.
Sa preno pa lang eh.
Oo. Ano kaya? What do you think? No?
Preno pa lang. Papatayin ka na nun eh. You know? Ito na yung trail. Ah. Dapat dito mo nakigulong mo eh. Origo, origo.
Back in the city where the lights stay wild. Bass hit heavy, got a club on. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, maybe not just stuff. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like. Boys talk tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No breaks, no cap, I'm built to last. She want one more round, I told her bet fast. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silently. Girl, you got that fire, breathe. So don't let go, just ride with me.
Origo,
Hands on me like gravity.
and yan. Ayan. Yun na yun. Meron pa dyan oh. Okay, tara tayo dyan. Yeah. Banat lang ng banat.
Let's get lost in ecstasy. Hands on me like gravity. Yeah, let's get lost in ecstasy. Champagne spilled on the ball, main tee. She a 10 in the face, got the soul I need. Talk sweet, but she don't play cheap. She a queen, she move like she. We just vibing, roll my dice. Hold it when we take flight. Say she love that, throw that fight. Put on the storm, not the light. Hopped out, looking at me, I'm like, oh. Gold frames on, with the diamonds on. Never need love when I'm doubting. Shorty said you glow, yeah, I'm wildin'. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silent. Girl, you got that fire, breathe. So don't let go, just ride with me. Hands on me like gravity.
Origo.
Let's get lost in ecstasy. Hands on me like gravity.
Yun na yun.
Let's get lost in ecstasy.
Bali mali pala kami. Sumobra kami. Kasi sa bandang gitna, merong kapihan. So babalikan namin yan. Yun.
You the type to get me caught up in a flame. No rules, now we just play the game. In the fast lane, switching through the rain.
Kalawan.
Hindi ka laban. Kasi, atake mo na. Ano, natakot ako na. Ano yun?
Protective yan. Tatakot ka sa baka. Yun lang palang kalaban mo eh, baka. Nya. Ma.
Feel like calling out your name. Do the grind, give it, run, get a fade. Move, yeah, move, yeah.
Baka wrong turn na to.
No sleep till sunrise, ride with me.
Sige, may labasan yan. Ayun na trail oh. Ito sa kanan. Trail, ito trail oh. Ito, rampahan. Ito, rampahan. Ito, rampahan. Wah. Wee!
Man, I don't believe it.
Ito yung bahay nila.
Oh, kasi kung nakaklipin. Nakaklip out na kami.
So you do it to me too. I guess life don't have no rule. And I swear on my life, if you ever leave, lose my eyes forever and never. We were supposed to be forever, never for the better. I need more love, less drugs in my life. I need more love, less drugs in my life.
Saan? Diretso pa tayo? Tara! Siguro kung i-rate ko yun, mga nasa 5 out of 10. Kaya naman siya. Kaya pa nga ng RV eh. Hindi siya ganun kahirap eh. Yung difficulty, kaya. Mainit lang eh. Pero may konting hangin. Diretso. McDo na lang. Ito. Oh. Oh, hindi akong McDo. Ah. Tapos na kumain. Oh, sabalaw na ata. Trik yung araw.
Can you feel it? 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 My mama told me the world has got its plans. I gotta keep my head down.
Oh, pagod na.
Keep my head down.
I'm just tryna go with my gut. They don't think about me enough. Making moves with my head in the mud. They don't talk about me enough. They said I wouldn't be it. They said I wouldn't get it. They said I wouldn't reach it. I wouldn't make a million. They said I wouldn't get it. They said I wouldn't get it. They said I wouldn't reach it. I wouldn't make a million. When I pull up, I'll be with my kin. Big bro rolling out the pounds, we getting it in. You might catch me in the city, smiling in my bag. They might tell you that I changed, just know that I'm him.
But oh, it's in my head. The world's gonna try its best to break me down.
Uwi na.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Come back! Ah, hindi! Bike shop! Pahinga muna kasi hindi nagsisil ang butas. Oop.
Android 17.
Mamaya,
Nanay.
pag galing dyan, biglang iinit sa pakiramdam.
Na-flat siya Flat yan. Flat yan.
Pero wala lang upuan.
Meron dyan upuan.
Dahil nga sa mix, di effective yung ano niya.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Uwi ano.
Anda na ako ha.
Okay. Thank you.
Sabado ha.
May singaw pa rin yung ano niya, gulong niya. Kinuha niya yung pampomba. Para pag mamaya bubomba na lang. Mga 35 pa.
Same old line, same tired game. I let it ring, let it fade, cause I'm already on my way. Lip gloss, keys in my hand, new dress, same wild plans. You're just a name I used to save, I'm dancing you out of my veins. I'm gonna delete your number right here on the floor. Spin till I can't remember what I called you for. Every step, every turn, watch your memory burn. I'm gonna delete your number like you were never mine before. DJ dropping all my songs, body right, but my mind moved on. Friends laughing, lights in my head. You're a ghost, I don't feel you there. You used to own my Friday nights, now you're just a typo. I'll wipe. Swipe left on your roll, come through. Look at me, I'm dancing past you. I'm gonna delete your number right here on the floor.
Las Piñas na. Adong galo na kami.
Every step, every
Ako na lang mag-isa. Naghiwalay na kami.
I'm gonna delete your number like you were never mine before. Thumb on the screen, beat in my chest. 3, 2, 1, and I hit reset. New song, new touch.
Makati up. Baby.
So I'm gonna delete your number right here on the floor. Spin till I can't remember.
Konti na lang. Dito na ako sa Pateros. I'll see you guys next time and bye. Don't forget to subscribe.